Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. Ashraf here, signing in. So today we will be just looking together how we can install the latest Kali Linux 2022.1. So without much further ado, let's kicking. So let's fire up the VirtualBox and then I'll go to the new and then click new and just I will just give us Kali Linux here. And then let's choose the 64-bit out here and we'll just give here 2020. Okay, that's fine. Now let's give this here 1024 RAM 1GB. I'm giving there, that's fine. Create virtual hard disk, VDI, that should be okay. Next, dynamic allocations, and then here I'm going to redirect to another drive, that is my documents where I'm going to store in the VM here, and then I'm keeping here 2022.1. that will be mine. And for the space I'm going to give here 40GB. Create, and now I'm going to assign the image file. So let's go to the storage here, and from this empty let's go to the IDE, select the image file required, that is our Kali.1 here. Open and okay, and now we can start ahead by clicking start. Okay, so let's get into the installation. So graphical, choose the graphical and then press enter, and let's wait for a while. So it is starting up. Yeah, it started mounting. Let's press enter, and yes, now we will select our language. So we shall select the English, and then we will select our country as India. Next, and then okay, English should be okay. And then so the installation media has already begun. Now as you can see, it's loading, installing components from the installation media. So guys, when you're installing this, make sure that you are connected to the internet or to your hotspot or to your Wi-Fi, whatever you have, because a lot of things they're going to pull from the internet as well. So I'm sure most of you like this Kali Linux because like most of the hackers, most of the educationists, they use this Kali for many multi-purposes, but I'm showing you this just for education purposes and for only using for education purpose with a good motive. There is no it is not illegal to install the operating system if you are using in a good motive, but if you are using in a bad motive, that I leave it to you. Okay, so now here the name as the Kali, so we will keep as this. We'll continue. Domain name, we don't want to have that as of now. And configure network, we will just give the name as I just give that okay, just give a dap and we will keep it as it is. And then we will just give a password for the operating system, secure our operating system. We'll go to the next, and they're checking the clock. So guys, if you want to really make your learning experience good, you can just download the ISO file and you can try it out. So I'm going to use this guided use entire disk, that which 40GB I have given, so I'm going to use all that. So continue, and then all partition in one go, that's okay. Click that, and now finish partitions on this. So yes, and then change in right this, yes, and now partition this is going out and it is installing to the base system. So this will take some time, but guys, I'm sure that's why people always ask this Kali Linux is why so important, because Kali Linux is so important because many of the hackers and software engineers, they use this for kind of like a pen testing and for their security checking. It means if you want to make your software fortified your software, then you can also use this Kali Linux. Or for your security, you want to test out your security how was so you can also check it out with that, and also use for social reverse engineering and social media reverse engineering they called. So all those kind of things, they do all kind of things, and then all the most of the tools are also already inbuilt in this latest version that you are checking out. So I'm sure guys you will like this OS. I am also already used this, and then it's kind of OS that really excites us, because whatever the tools that you need, it's already inbuilt into this Kali Linux, the latest version, and they have upgraded so many features, and I'm sure you all will be excited to this, and I'm sure all of you also like. So please guys, if you are feel happy about this video, please do like and subscribe, so that I will be motivated to do more this kind of latest videos. So this installation, it takes some time, so let's be patient, and by the time you can also grab your coffee and you can have that. And if you have any queries and whatever you have doubts, you can also keep in the description below, so that I can reply as soon as possible. So let's be patient and wait for this. This will take some time. Okay, so now they're configuring the app, installing the softwares. Okay, so now it's up to you, like whether you want to install all these kiddies and GOM and all that. If you are liking it, you can just tick and dot, but the more you tick this, it will take more times. But if you want the whole future, you can just tick it and then click continue. So installation time, it may take a little bit longer as you want all the features, so it's good if you can wait and all that. So let's do that, the full future. So I will fast forward this video, and then I'll be back once the installation is complete. Okay, so now here it is given as GDM3 or LightDM or SDM, so you can choose this GDM3. Okay, so select that and let it go the installation once again. So certain things they will ask you, and then you can just whatever you like, you select and let it go. I'm pretty sure that guys, you will not have a much problem if you are just going through the video with me, so it's not that hard. So we choose yes, and then we continue. We take this one, continue, and we will continue the installation to the grab bootloader, and we're almost done there. So finishing the installation, so just rechecking the installation for the final stage. So now as you can see that the installation has been complete, and we are asked to reboot, so we can just click continue and we will reboot it, the system. So now as you can see, it is loading up after the reboot. So now as you can see that Kali is starting up. The first look itself, as you can see that the new style and the improvement that they have done. So now as you can see that we can just log in it. So just that, and we'll just put our password and press enter to log in. So as you can see now the Kali is already installed, and as you can see the so many improved feature that it's here. So all the tools, as you can see, all the tools are already here. There's so many tools already inbuilt here. So it's terminal also here. You can also go through this one here. You can see that so many things are already installed. As of now, browser is installed, Metasploit is installed, Wireshark is installed, Birdsuite is there, Jerry-Tree is here, and at the terminal it's here. So you can just go here, place that, or you want to go through from here, as you can see that. So let's open up the terminal. You can see it's loading up. So we can see here ls. Let's see that. Let's see A. So as you can see, so many things has already loaded. So you can go to the source. See that you have to put a password. So it's not yet installed, so you can just press yes, and then you can also install those things if you want to see the Kali version and all that. So yes, it's not yet updated, and after the installation, it's a good practice that you always update whatever you have installed, so it will be synchronized itself properly, and then the update and upgrade is always required in this Kali Linux. So as you can see that it's updating, and after that which we will also do the upgrade process. So let's see the name, of course. So you can see the Linux and name. Let's see the So as you can see that it's the kernel that they're using is 5.51. As you can see it's Debian base. You can see the show files and these things, and you can also change the background from here itself. So you have many interesting background they have also given, so you can also change this way, or as you can see they all have already given that. So this is if you want to improve this, or you want to change, you can also go back again to the background. If you want to keep this, you can do, or you can also change the background. What I want is I just love this simple and clear cut. I want this, so I'm keeping this way. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please do like, subscribe and do share. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.